who doesn't like to travel? Going to another country is wonderful. We love to learn about other cultures. Traveling to another country is like opening a surprise book. You stumble upon unexpected customs, try menus that challenge your palate, and learn dances that your feet never imagined. It's like changing the channel on the television of life and finding a completely new and exciting show in every place. For that, mastering the language of the country being visited is essential. Speaking in the local language takes you to another level, making the experience exceptional. Look your conversation partner in the eyes and ask a question in perfect French, Portuguese, or Tagalog. It has nothing to do with doing it in Spanglish level P, which is so common in our geography. But in a digitalized world where our devices seem to have, in many cases, more linguistic abilities than we do, the umpteenth reflection related to the digital arises. With advancements in automatic translation, will it be necessary to speak languages? And in jobs, it will continue to make a difference. First glance, it may seem that human language learning is unnecessary in the immediate future. But I do not agree. Learning a language is not just about memorizing words and grammar rules. Relying blindly on artificial intelligence to communicate among humans is like wearing tinted glasses. We miss the richness of colors and nuances. What good is an automatic translator if we're going to say Serrano ham as mountain ham? Becoming obsessed with focusing on the language student is a mistake. Key lies in the interlocutor, because what is fundamental is not just knowing what to say, but how to say it. Speaking a language like a robot is like saying you only like nachos and forgetting that the joy is in the guacamole. It's like Stalinist communist architecture, functional but soulless. If you dare to order a pizza in Japanese in a karaoke style or tell a joke that sounds like a German proverb, you are basically sending a powerful message to someone that says, I want to connect with you in your language. It's respect, culture, and interest in others. Ultimately, it's about being human and connecting with people. That's the connection between people. And if you master a language to the point of telling a joke that even grandparents wouldn't tell better, or arguing with the style of a flea market seller, that vibe man is more powerful than the neighbor's Wi-Fi. In the end, the best conversations don't need a translator. Although technology advances and can offer us increasingly accurate translations, there will always be a human nuance that they will never be able to capture. And how would you translate time flies like an arrow? Personally, I like the version time flies like flies on an arrow. More ideas in the next one, don't miss it.